Here are my 5 tips for cooking on a spit roaster. My number 1 tip is heat management. It's all about the heat of the coal. You want to have a good distance between the heat of the coal and the meat on your spin. The good thing about the Matador, it has the coal cradle, and you can lower or raise that as you need to manage the distance between the coal and your meat. In terms of choosing your right cuts, it all relates to what kind of meal that you're preparing. If you're doing a traditional gyros, you would want to go for the lamb shoulder or the chicken thigh. If you were doing a traditional roast, you would go for large joints of meat that you're going to thread onto the rod and roast for a number of hours. Let's talk basting, whether it's lemon juice, olive oil, or any of the flavouring rubs that you've used to season your meat. It's going to add layers and complexity to the flavour profile. The most important thing is time management. Don't rush it. Allow time for your coal to get ready. Allow for the meat to turn on the rod. Overall though, it's all about adding those charcoal flavours to your meal and getting that lovely crispiness on the outside with the delicious tenderness on the inside.